Hello, future CAs. Welcome back to my channel. If you are preparing for the CA Foundation exams and feeling a bit overwhelmed with how to structure your studies, don't worry. In today's video, I am sharing an effective 3-month study plan to help you stay on track and ace your exams. We'll break down the plan into one full round of study, a solid revision, and space for not one but two rounds of mock tests. So grab your notebooks and let's dive right into it. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. First, we will see the daily 12-hour study plan. Then we will see in detail the month-wise plan. Here we have a daily 12-hour study plan of 4 slots. Each slot is of 3 hours. So you can see here 5:30 a.m. will be the wake up time. The first study slot is from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. This slot is of 3 hours, and as this is the early morning slot, maybe you can study with business laws here. And then from 9 a.m. to 9:30 onwards is your break. And then 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. is the second study slot. Here you will be studying accounting. And then from 12:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. is again a break. And then from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. is the third study slot. Here you can study quantitative aptitude. Next 5 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. is break. Then 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. is the fourth study slot. Here you can study economics. And you will be heading to bed by 10 p.m. You can customize the study plan. If you like to study late at night, you can keep one study slot at night also and start late in the morning. But the final aim should be to study 12 hours a day. This will help in covering the syllabus in advance and you will also have sufficient time for revision. This study slot also accounts for 7 hours sleep as well. Getting adequate sleep in study leave is very important for your health. It will help you keep your mind fresh and also increase your focus. Prepare concise notes while studying, which can be used later on when you are revising. Now we will see the detailed breakdown of this 3-month plan. So here you can see the month-wise study plan. We have 3 months here, month 1, month 2 and month 3. And here are the weeks. So in month 1, the first 4 weeks, you will be having one full study round. And in month 2, weeks 5, 6 and 7, you will be completing the first round of study. And in month 2, week 8, you will begin with your revision session. Then moving on to month 3, week 9, you will continue with the revision and also you will attempt for the first mock test paper. Then month 3, week 10 and week 11, you will continue with the revision. Then month 3, week 12, you will attempt the second mock test paper and also you will have some final touch up and the final revision process. Now we will see in detail as to what all you will be covering in month 1, that is week 1 to week 4. So you will be covering following chapters in accounting. Chapter 1, theoretical framework. Chapter 2, accounting process. Chapter 3, bank reconciliation statement. Chapter 4, inventories. Chapter 5, depreciation and amortization. Chapter 6, bills of exchange and promissory notes. Chapter 7, preparation of final accounts of sole proprietors. And in business laws, you will be covering the following chapters. Chapter 1, Indian Regulatory Framework. Chapter 2, the Indian Contract Act 1872. Chapter 3, the Sale of Goods Act 1930. Chapter 4, the Indian Partnership Act 1932. In quantitative aptitude, you should be covering the following chapters. Part A, Business Mathematics, and Part B, Logical Reasoning. Now coming to economics, you will be studying the following. Introduction to Business Economics, Theory of Demand and Supply, Theory of Production and Cost, Price Determination in Different Markets, Determination of National Income, Business Cycles. Now we will see as to in month 2, that is week 5 to week 7, which all chapters you will be covering. In accounting, you will cover the following. Chapter 8, Financial Statements of Non-Profit Organization. Chapter 9, Accounts from Incomplete Records. Chapter 10 Partnership and LLP Accounts. Chapter 11 Company Accounts. In Business Laws, Chapter 5 The Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Chapter 6 The Companies Act 2013. Chapter 7 The Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. In quantitative aptitude, you will cover Part C statistics. In economics, you will study public finance, money market, international trade, Indian economy. So in this way, by the end of week 7, you will complete first round of study. When you complete one chapter, at that time itself, go through the previous year question papers and revision test papers for questions related to that chapter. Now coming to month 2, week 8, start revision round 1 for all subjects. Before starting the revision, go through section wise weightages and revise those chapters first which have more weightage. Now coming to month 3, that is week number 9. Take first mock test covering all 4 subjects. Allocate 1 to 2 hours post mock exam to analyze mistakes and rework weak areas. Now continuing with the month 3, that is week 10 and week 11. Continue revision for all 4 subjects. For accounting and business law, revise key concepts, formulas and provisions. Focus on areas where you made mistakes in the mock test paper. For quantitative aptitude and economics, practice sums from mock tests and revise core economic theories. Now month 3, week number 12. Take second mock test covering all subjects again. After mock, focus on areas where you need last minute revision. Spend remaining days revising your notes and formulas. So here we have the 3-month study plan summary. Month 1, that is week 1 to week 4. Full study round of all subjects. Month 2, week number 5, week number 6 and week number 7. Complete study round 1. And month 2, week number 8. Begin first revision. Month 3, that is week 9, week 10, week 11 and week 12. Complete full revision and 2 rounds of mock tests. And there you have it, your ultimate 3-month study plan for CA Foundation. Remember, consistency is the key. And with the right plan in place, you're already halfway to success. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and share with your fellow CA aspirants. And also subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies on your CA journey. Also drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's anything else you would like me to cover. Wishing you all the best for your preparation and I'll see you all in the next video.